Okay, to continue on, complementary angles are a pair of angles that have a sum of 90 degrees. So if you look back here up at the drawing, you can see that, and the best way to do it is to just put all the degrees of the angles. So angle AFB would be 60 degrees. So I'm just going to write 60 in here. Angle AFC is 100 degrees. EFD is 30. EFC is 80. And so you just have to find two of them that add up to be 90. And so you have AFB and DFE add up to 90. So AFB and DFE. If you're listening, you should be able to see those instead of have to hear them. And then BFC and CFD. No, those are not right. That's, oh yeah. Oh, okay. Now, I put 100 here, but that was for AFC. But B, and I'm going to cross that out now. So BFC is from 100 to 60. So this little one is actually 40. And then CFD is from 150 to 100. And so that's actually 50. Those numbers were for like the big angles. And so now you can see that BFC and CFD also equal 90. So BFC and CFD. Okay, supplementary angles are angles that have a sum. So when you add them up to 180. To me, these are easier to find. So you basically have to find angles that stretch over the whole protractor. So you got angle AFB. And so if you write that down, AFB, then wherever you leave off, so you left off at B, so then you have to do BFE to have the whole protractor covered, BFE. Okay, I'm going to write them up here. Another one would be if you do AFC, so AFC, and then you would have CFE. Okay, you could also do AFD. So now you have all that covered, AFD, and then DFE. You can't just say AFE because that's just the straight line. You have to have two angles. Hopefully you were listening. Okay, on to the back. So by writing and solving equations, we can determine the missing angle, measure, and various angle relationships. So it's going to seem pretty simple on these, but I want you to write the equation because there will come a time where they get harder. So on this one, we know that these are supplementary and they equal 180. And so we're going to do 136 plus x equals 180. And then you would minus 136, and you're going to get 44 degrees. Okay, these should equal 90 because of the box. You go ahead and do that one. Okay, then they're also sometimes written like this, where it says the measure of angle 1 is 42.8. And sometimes it helps to put that there for yourself. So the equation would be 42.8 plus x equals 90. And then you solve for x. And you go ahead and do number 4. And then you have to know what these words mean. And if you don't remember, look back on your other page and you write the equations for these and show me when you're done.